Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now we'll discuss how to convert the Moore machine into its equivalent Mealy machine. So this type of conversion is quite easy than the conversion of Mealy to Moore machine. Okay, so let's start. So we have given here table of Moore machine. Okay, so for the easiest purpose, I will convert this table into the transition diagram. I have already drawn half of the diagram. Okay, so we know in case of Moore machine, all the output symbols are written in the state name itself. Okay, so I have taken here the 4 states as they have mentioned it in table. Okay, so Q0 with output symbol 1, Q1 with output symbol 0, Q2 with output symbol 0, and again Q3 with output symbol 1. Okay, so I have drawn here the 4 states with their output symbols. Now we'll draw the transitions one by one. Q0A, it will go to state Q1, Q0A go to state Q1, Q0B Q2, Q0B Q2, next Q1A Q3, Q1A Q3, Q1B Q3, Q1B Q3, Q2A Q0, Q2A Q0, Q2B Q3, Q2B Q3. Now next Q3A Q3. So Q3A Q3, Q3B Q1, Q3B Q1. Now we'll convert this Moore machine into Mealy machine. Okay, so again in resultant Mealy machine we'll have same number of states as in the given Moore machine. Okay, so Q0, Q1, Q3 and Q2. Okay, so we'll see each transition one by one. So here while going Q0 to Q1, we are taking input symbol A and that will be replaced by 0. Okay, so we'll write here as from Q0 to Q1. Okay, the input A will be replaced by 0. Now this transition is done. Okay, so I'll make tick mark. Now next Q0B. Okay, so Q0B, this B will getting replaced by 0 and we are moving from Q0 to Q2. Okay, so Q0 to Q2, B will be replaced by 0. Okay, now next this transition is over, so we mark it. Now next Q1A going to state Q3, Q1A going to state Q3 and A will be replaced by 1. So A will be replaced by 1 and from Q1 to Q3. Now next Q1 to Q3, input symbol is again B and B will be again replaced by 1. Okay, so we draw here, that is B will be replaced by 1. Okay, now next from Q2 to Q0, input symbol is A. From Q2 to Q0, input symbol is A. Okay, so and this A will get replaced by 1. So A will be replaced by 1. Now next from Q2 to Q3, B will be replaced by 1. Q2 to Q3, B will be replaced by 1. Okay, this is over and this is also over. Now the last with state Q3. So Q3A, A will be replaced by 1. Q3A, A will be replaced by 1. And Q3B is going to state Q1 and B will be replaced by 0. Okay, so B will be replaced by 0. Okay, so this transition is over and this transition over. Okay, so all the transitions are converted into Moore machine. Okay, so this is our resultant milli machine. We have converted it from given Moore machine. Now we can fill up the table. Okay, so here Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, so Q0A going to state Q1. So here I will write Q1 and A will be replaced by 0. Okay, now next Q0B. Q0B output state is Q2 and B will be replaced by 0. Q1A going to state Q3 and A will be replaced by 1. Okay, and Q1B again going to state Q3 and B will be replaced by 1. Okay, now next Q2A going to state Q0 and this A will get replaced by 1, and for Q2B it is going to state Q3 and B will get replaced by 1, and the last Q3A is equal to Q3 itself and A will be replaced by 1, and Q3B is going to state Q1 and B will be replaced by 0. Okay, so this is our resultant milli machine table. Okay, so we have converted Moore machine to milli machine directly from transition diagram. Okay, it is enough to draw either transition diagram or transition table because these are also interconvertible. So in exams you can draw either diagram or table. Okay, so I think this is the easiest way to convert the transition diagram to transition diagram. So I have converted the table into diagram and then diagram into diagram. Okay, so there is no need to draw this table after the drawing of this transition table. Okay, so this was all about related to the conversion of Moore machine to its equivalent milli machine. Hope so you have understood the concept of conversion. If you have any queries, then please comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.